Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot for marketing assets, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with HubSpot for marketing assets, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hubspot.com and press enter. Once the HubSpot homepage loads, locate the Get Started Free button. Click on the Get Started Free button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page with options to create an account. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong password that meets HubSpot's requirements. Confirm your password by typing it again in the provided box. Next, enter your first and last name in the respective fields. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Indicate your company name in the required field. Input your company's website URL if you have one, or leave it blank. Once all fields are filled out, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email shortly after. Check your email inbox for a message from HubSpot. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to HubSpot's website. Log in with the email address and password you just created. You will now be taken to your HubSpot dashboard. From the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the various options and tools available. To explore marketing assets, navigate to the Marketing tab at the top of the page. Hover over Marketing to reveal additional options. Select Landing Pages from the drop-down menu to begin creating assets. Follow the prompts to set up a new landing page or explore other marketing tools available. Continue to explore the platform to make the most of your new HubSpot account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.